Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix JavaScript error occurred in the main process. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, you're going to find your search bar and type down %temp%. Okay, again, %temp%. And then just click on the file folder. Control A to select all, and then press the delete button. Wait for it and click on do this for all current items and just click on continue. Now, not everything right here will be deleted. So if that happens, just click on do this for all current items and just skip it. Okay. Again, skip and just wait for it. And then once that's done, close this one, find temp. Okay. Just temp, no percentage. Click on temp and do the same thing. Control A, delete and delete all. For the things that you cannot delete, just leave it. And once that's done, go ahead and close this one. Find CMD. Click on Run as Administrator. Click on Yes, as there'll be a pop-up. Okay. Now, once that's done, go ahead and type down reg svr. Okay. Again, reg svr 32 space JScript, in short for JavaScript, .dll, and then just hit on enter. Again, reg svr 32 space JScript.dll, hit on enter. Now it says here, DLL register server in JScript.dll succeeded. Just click on OK, close. Now restart your computer. And once that's done, you're good to go. That is how you fix JavaScript error occurred in the main process. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.